Gang, what's poppin', everybody? I'd like to say thank you to everybody who tuned right back into the channel, locking it in with your boy today. Like I said, we're going up all 2023. Today, matter of fact, before we even get this video started, like I start out all my videos, if you haven't already, go ahead, man, like this video and go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We are on the road to 10,000 subscribers. Now today, we're gonna shoot by Macys and see what else they have in. I was told they got a few new pieces in, and I was actually looking on the website. I'm hoping that they have this jacket that I'm looking for. If so, we'll cop it today. If not, we'll probably just go ahead and order it. And we're gonna pick up a few things today as well. So y'all come along with your boy. We're gonna see what Macys got to offer. So you guys, that was Macys, located at NORTHPARK Mall in Dallas, Texas. The selection was cool today. It just wasn't a lot that I thought I would be able to get to. Just based upon what I was stating when the video first started, they were laying out a lot of new stuff today. It was tagged. I had a lot of stuff like these merchandise tags, and I didn't want to be recording, being in them people way, man. You know why they was trying to put up new merch and stuff like that. But I was trying to. I pretty much did string together some stuff. So I think this right here will still be a dope video. I know you guys probably was expecting probably just a little more product, but I tried to record what I could, just not like being in their way. You know, that's the one thing I try not to do while I'm in these stores, is being the worker's way and any of that type of stuff like that. Because it's either the blessing that they let me come in and do what I would like to do. So man, like I said, you guys make sure, like we're doing all these videos, comment down below. Let me know which pieces you thought was the best, which pieces did you guys like. I also seen that a green jumpsuit that I just copped. If I knew that was at Macys, I probably would have grabbed it a long time ago. But that was probably one of the items that they had just recently put out. Like I say, some of that stuff was new, and some of the things that were new, I kind of showed you guys. And they had a lot of more stuff to come, so we'll definitely be making another trip soon back to Macys. So like I say, I appreciate y'all once again. Thank y'all once again. I'm gonna say this, I keep saying once again, I don't know why I keep saying it. But like I said, if you haven't already, go ahead, sub to the channel, like this video so we can get this video out to who needs to see it. Appreciate y'all for tuning in, man. I'm out.